Please subscribe to our channel and don't let us comment and like the video.
There are lots of animals that need conservation help, cuddly creatures like pandas and koalas, or brainy beasts like whales and octopuses, just to name a few. But a team of scientists is urging us to not forget one particularly unlovable group that also needs our assistance: parasites. Parasites, the team explains, have a bit of a PR problem. They're not just blood-sucking monsters, or freeloading fiends, which, don't get us wrong, they still are. As the team says, parasites also perform incredibly significant ecological roles. Parasites influence the survival and reproduction of many host species, and form vital links across food chains. For example, they increase predatory birds' killer fish kills by up to 30 times by messing with the fish's brains in a way that makes them more vulnerable to the birds. Alas, so many of these complicated interactions are unknown to us. Parasites are an incredibly diverse group of species. But as a society, we do not recognize this biological diversity as valuable, says ecologist Chelsea Wood from the University of Washington. The point of this paper is to emphasize that we are losing parasites, and the functions they serve without even recognizing it. The paper is part of an entire issue of the journal Biological Conservation devoted to parasite conservation. There's an article about how efforts to save parasitic host species still threaten the parasites due to differences in cap, and one on how we assess the conservation status of parasites. The focus of Wood's team's paper is on how to create a global parasite conservation plan. If species does not have a name, then we cannot preserve it. We have accepted decades of most animals and plants. But scientists have discovered only a small portion of all parasites on the planet, said co-author Colin Carlson, a biologist at Georgetown University. The research team from the United States, Spain and Australia has set 12 targets for the next decade to help keep our parasitic friends for generations to come. The goals are divided into 4 groups: data collection and synthesis, risk assessment and priority setting, conservation practice, education and awareness. They are ambitious targets, covering everything from the importance of parasitism to the official protection of endangered parasites. Goal 12, though, may be the most aggressive of all. The team writes, "In the spirit of this challenge, we are proposing an ultimate ambitious goal, which is to describe half of the parasite diversity on Earth. Initial targets for describing 50% will greatly improve our understanding of the global biodiversity of parasites."